The current problem with our list is that it only shows English words, but we want Miwok translations to appear as well. So here I am in the numbers activity, and so far we've been using a layout that is provided by the Android framework, and it's defined in the simple _list_item_1.xml file. So remember that simple_list_item_1 is one of many types of layouts that's been created by the Android team and is part of the Android framework. So to see a list of all the layouts in the Android framework, check out the r.layout page in the Android Developers Guide. So if we scroll down a bit, we'll see the item layout that we're interested in. So to learn more about this layout, I'm actually going to do a Google search on it. So this is the code developed by the Android team to develop this specific layout. And as you can see here, it only contains one text view. Now we really need a list item that has more than one text view. So let's build our own layout with two text views. Then we need to assign view IDs to the text views as well, because we'll need to refer to these views later in the Java code. So at this point, we're not too worried about the details of what the list item layout looks like. We're just trying to get the right data on the screen to make sure the logic in our code is working correctly. Then later on, we can make the list items visually look nicer. Now remember that the adapter knows how to populate this list item for a single word in the list. And that's why we only need the layout for a single item, because that same pattern will be used repeatedly. So for this exercise, I'd like you to create a new layout file for how a single list item should look. And here's an example of that. Note the 16 dp pattern on both the top and left hand side. Also notice that the Miwok word is on top of the English word, because we want users to pay more attention to the Miwok word. Later in the visual polish section of lesson 3, we'll make the Miwok word even more prominent by bolding the word. Next, assign view IDs to the text views so that we can refer to them later in the Java code. And after you're done with this, I'd like you to answer this question. Which view group did you use as the root view in this layout?